In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Mailchimp, giving you a straightforward guide to accessing your account with ease. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just need a quick refresher, this video will walk you through the entire process in just 5 minutes. To start, open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you typically use. Once your browser is open, head over to Mailchimp's official website by typing in the URL mailchimp.com. This is the first step to getting you closer to your account. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to the login page where you'll provide your account details. Now on the login page, you'll see fields asking for your email or username. Carefully type in the email address or username associated with your Mailchimp account. It's important to ensure there are no typos, as errors here can prevent you from accessing your account. The next field requires your password. Enter your password with the same care to avoid any mistakes. If you have set up two-factor authentication, commonly known as 2FA, you'll need to have your phone or authentication app handy. After entering your password, a verification code might be sent to your phone or generated on your authentication app. Go ahead and input that code in the space provided. This extra step ensures that your account is secure and only accessible by you. Once you've input all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything you've entered. Confirm that your email or username and password are correct and the verification code, if required, is exact. Then click the login button. If everything checks out, you'll be successfully redirected to your Mailchimp account dashboard. And that's it! You are now logged in and ready to navigate through Mailchimp's features. Remember, if you happen to face any issues such as forgetting your password, Mailchimp offers a forgot password option that can guide you through resetting it. It's located right on the login page and is straightforward to use. Thank you for watching this guide on logging into Mailchimp. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget, practice makes perfect, and the more familiar you become with the process, the faster and more instinctive it will become. Keep this guide handy for any future reference and enjoy all the tools and resources Mailchimp has to offer.